Hi everybody, Mikey from Usually Broken Cars, and thank you for tuning in. So today is part 2 of the mini revival. If you haven't already seen part 1 of the mini revival, make sure to go back and watch it, see the modifications we've already done, but today is all about part 2. Now also, how cool is this little thing? The lad was 11 years old and this is his race car. Get in there. So we've got a few more jobs to do on it to complete the transformation. We've got a super cool project that's going to go on those back windows. We are going to change out these grills. So we've got this grill here and this grill in here is going to get changed out. We've got a second-hand set of rear lights that are going to go in the back end because they've got to be better than mine. We've just put the trims on the sides of the windows here, which just really do complete the look. Unfortunately, this one has got a split in it, but it is only rubber, so we're not too worried about that. So yeah, let's crack on, peeps. Let's get onto it. So just under here, what we got?
Spinny nuts that don't want to undo.
Spinny nuts that don't want to undo.
There you go.
I think we've got 6 or so little nuts along here that hold the front grills in. So front grills are right. So we've got new grills in here to fit. So we can get them out. But essentially, they are like what's on Ross's. It's going to look really sick.
You see, that's what you want pre-facelift ones.
Oh, they're really cool.
Yeah, but you can't have them.
That's really cool. I didn't even know they came like that.
Because that's your reversing lights in here.
Oh, have you taken the
cover off?
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. So if you look at,
I just laid them up against the wall.
but because my reverse light is there and yours is in there, that's why I can do it. But you cannot.
Because that's really cool. I love it without the.
It looks much better.
It looks really cool, really different, doesn't it?
But then you've got the reverse lights in.
Yeah.
That's the difference between facelift and pre-facelift.
Yeah. Never mind.
Never mind.
We're getting there. We shall transform. So, also, follow Chris as well. Drive Photo Restore on Instagram.
I don't know if you've noticed, but mine has a little bit of rust at the bottom.
I had noticed, yeah. Is there?
I've got the panel.
Is there some on mine?
No, you. I was just saying, I've got the panel. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pressing much.
I haven't done it.
So,
There you go.
yeah, as I said in my buying guide, this bit rots out here. And if we look at the back of Luke's over here, you can see on the back of Luke's there is a section there. And so, is that a new panel or?
No, when people break them, they chop these out.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a common.
So,
2006.
The chop.
okay. Yeah. So now you got to
It's on the list.
enjoy that. Yeah, weld it in.
Plastic.
Miles better. Like Uncle Michael's just saying.
Is that you going out, Coke?
We've just given them a real good mop, and they look so much better. This grill, on the other hand, has got the shittest fittings that come from the factory, and they're like these little plastic self-cutting nuts, but they cut absolutely nothing.
Well, that is the fast one. You're right. Well spotted.
But yeah, so this has been a bit of a pig. So what are these called, Luke? Oh my god.
Or Ross.
Ross, what are these called?
Do you know both of us? You get the name from?
Star washers.
So we've got star washers and we're using these instead because these just sort of dig in and bite in. So we've now done the front bumper, which looks fantastic. We are going to do something with the number plate as well. The guys are just making up a little bracket for that. And then it is on to super exciting times.
I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back.
If you're enjoying watching this video, there's a few things that you can do to help me out. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the notifications icon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now, back to the video. So this is kind of like the centerpiece of the change, I think. With the windows, we've now got space to put this lovely big decal down the side. We've got a YouTube QR code, and then we've got the YouTube logo down here. So we're now going to get them stuck on the car. We've had a bit of a debate. Unfortunately, they're not handed, but I knew they kind of weren't going to be. I mean, we could potentially make them handed, but it'd be a bit weird.
I think because the font goes up. You're gonna,
Yeah, because of the font. So yeah, let's get them stuck on.
Take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you.
He's normally right.
Ross, what you saying, mate?
Yeah, I 100% think that ties it into the roof, makes the roof make sense.
Yep.
And then the cheek have the other one.
Yeah. And then, like you say, we can stack.
Huh?
I find out holding Luke's lights today.
Yeah.
In fact, saying that would be quite cool because we could then put the Howard one here on this side, and then on the other side, the Howard one can go at the front.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Let's get them on. Are we going dry or are we moistening? Moistening.
Moist.
Never going dry.
Things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight.
So is that just soapy water in your bottle there?
Yeah.
So soapy water.
So
Thinking.
what are you putting either side? Where's Howard Brothers going in that
So
corner
on this
triangle?
one, on this side, Howard Brothers this side,
Yeah.
and on the other side, because it's not reversed, we'll have Howard Brothers at the front with this going over the top of
The
it.
only thing I potentially do is make sure your gap between the B post and the start of the vinyl, whichever way around it is the same distance.
same,
Yeah, make sure
yeah.
that's
So
the
if we-
same.
if-
So the Y on the
So
other
if-
side is the same
Yeah.
distance.
Like you
Yeah.
have the C in line with that. So if we were to slide that across,
Just to make it easy to line it up, make sure it's sort of.
Right a bit, right a bit,
Matches.
right a bit, right a
so
bit.
in line with that, yeah?
Yeah, right a bit, right a bit. Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going. If you want it in line with the fattest part of the door, there.
Yeah. And what about in terms of angle?
This life into something that you can never run. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
Fuck it.
It's on. I've done it. I'm there. It's on. End of. It's fucked. I've done it. End of. Hello. And this is why I don't get to do things like this, because I've just fucking stuck it on and not thought about it at all.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
Right, first drive since new wheels and tyres. The drive or the ride, even just coming out the yard, has been transformed.
So much less
It's
pressure.
so much less crashy, and it is so more comfortable, shall we say. A lot less crashy. So yeah, really happy. We've got a really bumpy bit of road here as well. I can't believe the difference.
9 and a bit kilos per corner saved. is
40 kilos,
unreal.
but unsprung. 40 kilos unsprung. Big bump.
Yeah, the dashboard doesn't rattle anymore.
Well, not much.
I'm not sure it was the dashboard. Give me some brakes.
Yeah.
I mean, harder. Just
Well, the gonna come out of the corner in a moment.
windows here.
Hopefully we'll pick up a nice bit of supercharged wine. Oh yeah.
You're in the country, lad, aren't you?
We're definitely in the countryside, yeah.
Spot them up.
Yeah, with these. Right. This is going to be interesting. Mike, point the camera up. Yes! I just left the biggest cloud of smoke as well. That's such an animal. Woo! You smell shit and tyres.
Tyres and shit.
But yeah, change to 15s. Don't let people tell you that the alloys are lighter, because they ain't. 10 kilos per corner. We there? We good? Rolling? Cool. I think we've achieved the goal that we set out for today, which was to make my car unique, but at the same time, have a little bit of a time with my friends. I am so pleased with how this has turned out. So a massive, massive thank you to Ross and Luke from Howard Brothers. Thank you for their time, their patience, and for doing the job. Thank you for Chris and Mike for their help today. You guys, as always, invaluable. And I think the biggest thing to say thank you for is everybody for watching. Really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think to my budget build? There's a couple of little things left to do on it, and then it's there, it's done. The £100 Mini, she has been transformed. I'm really pleased. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you on the next episode.